Slide here, guys, just the tier qualifications, just to give you a little bit of a snapshot and an understanding of, actually, you better explain this better than me. So, oh, you want this?
Okay, the tier qualifications was designed for two reasons. The one is that once you start populating a tier or a reward level, you will then start earning certain benefits and products as well as cash from that tier. So what we've done here is that if you have your tier 1 with your 4 personals populated, it allows you to start earning cash rewards from tier 3, although tier 3 has not been fully populated, up to the value of 530 Rand that is available on that tier as cash. So in other words, once you populated a tier for 64, you will then qualify for those products and services that we've showed you. And once you have qualified, you will not lose that benefit. In other words, it can happen that 4 or 5 members on that tier will say cancel their membership, but you can then replace them with new members. But if somebody cancel and you only have 60, all that's going to happen, you're only going to be rewarded cash on 60 and not 64. But you will still have your benefit. Okay. So as you can see here, if you populate tier 3 with 64, although you do not have the full populated tier 4 and 5, you can start earning the cash rewards, the cash portion on those tiers every single month, as long as you qualify. So if you qualify for tier 5 and you're fully populated on tier 5, you already can earn the cash rewards on 6 and 7, although it's not fully populated, meaning that you won't get the benefits. But the cash on those tiers you will receive. Okay. All right, and the last slide that I quickly want to explain, because that's very important to understand, is that every month there will be a payment of 350 Rand. It's a monthly payment by every member, monthly. 100 Rand of that 350 will always go to your airtime and your SIM card fee that you will receive right in the beginning, so that will pay for that. And then we take, of the 250 Rand membership fee that are left, we take 100 Rand on tier level 1 as tier rewards, cash tier rewards that we will pay from tier 1 till tier 7 up to 200 Rand. So the full 200 Rand of the 250 gets distributed as cash rewards on the 7 tiers. That leaves us with the 50 Rand, which will be your monthly account fee that you will pay. So of the 250 Rand, 200 Rand goes towards your cash rewards that you get paid. So every month when everyone pays his 350, those rewards are distributed so that we can pay you those rewards on every tier. So every month the 350 are paid, regardless of your join date, which is very important to understand. Your subscription fee will be due on the 1st of every month and gets activated from the member's wallet. So it will all gets activated from your wallet, and a minimum balance of 350 Rand will be reserved in your account for this purpose every month. That's the minimum balance that needs to be in your wallet. Okay. If insufficient funds on the 1st, if there are insufficient funds, in other words, you do not have your 350 so that we can pay the next month's membership fee, the account will go into what we called a park due mode. Meaning, once the account balance reaches 350 Rand, your subscription will be deducted automatically. Okay, so in other words, if the first come and you do not have your 350 and you only have 300 Rand or 250 Rand in your wallet, it will go into what we call park due mode. As soon as 50 Rand or 100 Rand comes into your wallet because a connector has joined your your organization. We will then take the 350 to pay your membership fee, and the balance are then used for your cash rewards. Okay. The tier rewards are distributed every month, as I explained, from the monthly subscription payments, and all tier benefits and cash are paid from the tier community rewards. And the tier benefits and cash rewards are capped up until tier 7. So that's where you get capped, and that's where your 7-tier community structure ends.